What if a former president's eligibility to run for office again was questioned? Sounds intriguing, right? Picture this. Michigan, a case filed, a challenge brought forward. The heart of the matter? Donald Trump's eligibility to run for president in 2024. The argument? A potential violation of the 14th Amendment's insurrection clause. Quite a contentious claim, don't you think? It's not every day that a former president's eligibility for re-election is put to the test in such a manner. So, a challenge was made, a gauntlet thrown, but how did the courts react? The lower courts, they had their say first. They examined the argument that Trump violated the 14th Amendment's insurrection clause and came to a consensus. Their verdict? Rejection. The lower courts in Michigan dismissed the argument, asserting Trump's eligibility for the presidency. But Michigan wasn't alone. In Colorado, the Supreme Court echoed the same sentiments, ruling in favor of Trump. And up north, Minnesota's courts also rejected challenges against Trump's eligibility. Lower courts had spoken. But what about the Supreme Court of Michigan? The Michigan Supreme Court, the final arbiter, stepped into the fray. The court decided to not hear the case, effectively allowing Trump to appear on the state's primary ballot. It upheld the decisions of the lower courts, which argued against the claim that Trump violated the 14th Amendment's insurrection clause. While a similar ruling was passed by the Colorado Supreme Court, a decision in Maine is still pending. Michigan voters, however, hold the power to challenge Trump's eligibility for the general election if he secures the GOP nomination. The Supreme Court had the final say, or did it? So, what does this all mean for the political landscape? Well, the Michigan Supreme Court's decision to not interfere with Trump's eligibility for the 2024 ballot has set a stage of high intensity. This verdict, affirming lower court rulings, has added fuel to the already contentious issue. It opens up the possibility of more challenges in other states, further stirring the pot of political uncertainty. The broader implication? A redefinition of presidential eligibility that could impact future elections. As the 2024 elections draw near, one thing is for sure, the political landscape remains as unpredictable as ever.